Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Today I'm sharing with you in this video very attractive and very stylish. You will see modern short pixie bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas, fabulous and attractive. You will see modern short bob with bangs, haircuts designs. Dear viewer, you will see in these videos messy bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. So if you like my videos, so viewers, watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So you will see in these videos modern and stylish unique haircut designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos and you like this one unique bob haircuts ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. So this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. Watch my full videos and share my videos. Lovely viewer, you will see in these videos modern and stylish unique short bob with bangs haircuts ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos and you like this one unique haircuts ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. This video is very helpful for you and very useful for you, so watch my full videos and share my videos and enjoy new attractive short bob with bangs haircuts designs. Design dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas, front, back and sided pose modern bob haircuts designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you like my videos. So there's a huge variety of designs in this video. You will see particular stylish modern short bob with bangs haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see stylish short bob with bangs haircuts ideas. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. I always try to make new attractive short bob with bangs haircuts designs before and after haircuts ideas. Today you will see in this videos very attractive and very stylish beautiful haircuts designs, so take care.